Have a Kohler engine 7000 series KT735 runs about 10 minutes and then dies.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler engine? How old is it?
3 years old. Service regularly.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler engine? What have you tried so far?
About 2 weeks. I put a new set of coils on it, 2 new spark plugs. That's about all I've done.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Wondering if the oil pressure switch could be bad.
Hello. My name is my pleasure to assist you today. I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can give you some answers.
Okay, and number 55357 semicolon and number 56396.
I see that it dies after about 10 minutes. Will it fire back up immediately or does it take a while?
Takes a little while. Let it sit and it'll start back up after sets while.
Okay. Right after it dies, have you tested spark to see if it's a loose of spark issue? There is a possibility that the fuel solenoid on the carburetor may be defective and shutting off fuel flow after it gets hot. We need to do some diagnostics to narrow it down to a fuel or spark issue.
No spark. I need to get a spark tester. I guess trying to do it by myself.
Okay. And you installed 2 new coils, correct? Something is disrupting the firing of the coils after it gets hot. You may be onto something with the oil pressure sensor.
I'm pretty mechanical. That's the only thing I can come up with. One of the plugs, it's a 3-connector pressure switch. One of them is loose. I don't know if that could be causing it or not.
What brand of mower is it? I'm wondering if there is any other ECU or anything that controls both coils at the same time.
It's a Cub Cadet. I think that's a MTD.
Okay. Worked at a Cub dealership for 13 years. They don't use any other ECU. Just the ignition switch has a small circuit board inside.
Okay, it has that push button start on it. I don't know. I just have to play around with. I'm hoping that all pressure switch will take care of it, but thank you for all your help.
The only thing I'm aware of that will cut out both coils at the same time is the oil sensor. Of course, the ground and the ignition switch.
Thanks. Not sure I'm a fan of the Kohler 7000 series with the smart choke and all that stuff on it, but anyway, I think I'll figure it out and get it working. Thank you.
My pleasure. I feel the same way about all the bells and whistles on the 7000. A lot of unnecessary things.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.